Good morning. I would like to teach you the AC care problem. This is a Corolla 2003 to 2008. Yes, 2003 to 2008. So I will try to diagnose it for you in case you have a problem. But permit me to speak in two languages. I will speak in English and I will speak in the Yoruba language. So a fẹ́ kọ́ wa bá ṣe lè ṣe ká AC wa tí ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ láti Corolla, mọ́tò tó ń jẹ́ Corolla, Toyota Corolla 2003 to 2008. So nǹkan kan náà ní gbogbo ẹ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí kára wò. First of all, you go to open this box. A máa kọ́kọ́ sí ibi báyìí. Ṣẹ̀tìrì pàtì sí. A ní àwọn nǹkan tá a need láti yẹ̀wò ń bẹ̀. So bá wo ibi dáadáa, if you can see this place very well, there's a symbol of relay that is working for AC here, 10 amps. So symbol kan wà níbí báyìí tó fi yé wa pé a lè rí relay AC wa ibi ló wà. So tá bá wá sí orí bọ́ọ̀dù yìí, then if you can come to this board, you can see we have a lot of relay there. But this is particular relay, this particular relay is the one that is working for AC. So lórí bọ́ọ̀dù wa ó ní relay tó lè ṣiṣẹ́. Ó ní relay tó lè ṣiṣẹ́ níbí báyìí. Relay tó lè ṣiṣẹ́ fún AC yẹn ó ní mò ń fọwọ́ kàn yìí. Ṣé mo ti sọ fún wa wípé èdè méjì ni mo máa sọ, èdè Òyìnbó àti èdè Yorùbá. You know, I told us that I will speak in two languages, English and Yoruba. Okay, let's continue. Now, let me start the car. Ẹ jẹ́ ká. Now, this is the car. This is the car. Ọkọ̀ náà nílé. So, ẹ jẹ́ ká tàn. So, the car is running now. Let's on the AC. You can see there's no AC light up. Yeah. So at the time AC wa báyìí, ṣùgbọ́n AC iná AC ọ̀tàn tó sọ fún wa pé AC yóò ṣiṣẹ́. So ẹ wá jẹ́ ká lọ wò ó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pa padà. No, ká tó pa before we proceed. Yeah. Let me go and show you the look at the AC compressor. You can see that compressor is not rolling. Ṣé rí pé compressor wa yẹn kò roll. Ṣé ti rí mọ́tò ń ṣiṣẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n kò roll. You can see compressor is not rolling. Yeah, then the AC is not working. So now let's off the engine. A máa pa engine yẹn báyìí. So àti pa báyìí. Nǹkan tí a máa ṣe, we have off the engine and we come now to diagnose the problem. Àti wá síbí láti wá ìṣòro tó ní. This particular picker is the one that they are using to remove the extra fuse. Kíní tí mo mú tó jẹ́ white yìí, òun la máa ń lò láti fi yọ extra fuse níbí báyìí. Ṣùgbọ́n níbí báyìí, extra fuse tá ní méjì ló wà níbí báyìí. We have 2 extra fuse. This is 2 extra fuse here. I think you understand me. So where is the problem now? There is another fuse inside. So I'll go and show you now. Níbi tí ìṣòro ti ṣẹlẹ̀ síbí ni pé a ní irú àwọn kinní tí a máa ń to àwọn fuse sí, ó wà nínú ilé níbi mọ́tò. So mo máa mú wa lọ síbẹ̀ nísìn. Ẹ bá ti wá lọ síbẹ̀, mo ti mú picker lọ́wọ́. So we are going inside now and I hold the picker. All right, let's go. In this dam here, here. This is where the fuse are. So ibi báyìí ni àwọn fuse yẹn wà. So a sì ti ṣetán láti yẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ wò now. I'm coming. So ibi báyìí ni fuse yẹn wà. Now let's go. Àwọn fuse yẹn lélẹ̀ tí mo fi hàn wáyé ṣé ti rí, ṣùgbọ́n fuse gangan tó jẹ́ ìṣòro níbẹ̀ òun lélẹ̀ ṣé ti rí bí mo náwó sí fuse tó gbé 10 amps yẹn. So this is the fuse box, and the particular fuse for the AC is the first one, the red amps that are pointed. That's the particular one. So now let's quickly remove it and place another one. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ ká fi omi sí. All right. Now I came here to pick. I want to pick this one now. So you can easily for you to repair your AC when the fuse is cut off. So you can see this fuse. You can see it now is totally okay. Sure, you understand? Place it here now. Then let's go back. So fuse is down here. Fuse is fi síbi òun dá. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ padà síbi tí ìṣòro wà. Now, at the bit ìṣòro wà, this is where the problem is. Then I will use the picker to pick the fuse out. Mo fẹ́ lo kíní, you see? Then I'll pick it out. So you can see that I'll pick it out. Ẹ máa rí pé mo ti yọ. And I've picked it out. Then let's check it. Correct. You can see this fuse is gone. Can you see? Ẹ máa rí pé fuse yìí ti cut kúrò ńbẹ̀. So èmi tá mú yẹn ní. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká wá mélé ká lọ dá padà síbẹ̀ yẹn. So let's take this one. Let's take this one and go and use it to replace this place. Now you can see I want to plug it now. Just permit me. Mo keyboard ojú àyè tá ti yọ. So you can see now. Okay, correct. I've replaced another one. Now, active film miss right. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá ká yẹ ká wò. Let's test it and let's see what is going to happen. The car is running now. Yes, the car is running now. Iṣẹ́ ọkọ̀ wa ti ń ṣiṣẹ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká tan AC. Ṣé ti rí? Now you can see that it show light. Yeah, the AC is coming up. Yeah, it's cooling. Correct. It's cooling. So now let's go back to AC wa ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wo compressor ẹ̀kan yẹn. Check the compressor ẹ̀kan yẹn. You can see the compressor is now rolling. So correct. That is the solution to our AC problem. Whenever you have an AC problem, so place back this and try to cover it back. So ẹ dá gbogbo kíní yẹn padà síbẹ̀. Fuse eléyìí ó ti bàjẹ́. So you can throw it away. Now see, cool. Wow, very cold, chill. Yeah, very chill. So ó ti ṣiṣẹ́, and we are going to enjoy your AC now. It has been working very perfect. You are going to enjoy your AC now. Just kindly give me a like and follow this channel. Thank you. Ẹ fún mi ní àpàǹtàkò nítorí iṣẹ́ AC wa ti ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ lè kẹ́sì bá fún àwọn ènìyàn nípa rẹ̀. Thank you.